how to log into LTX Studio. So in this video, I'll guide you through the steps to log into LTX Studio easily. Start by visiting the LTX Studio website here. So when the page loads, you should see a screen similar to this. So we should locate the login option. In the top right corner, you'll find two options. If you don't have an account yet, click Start Now to sign up. If you already have an account, click Login to proceed. So you can log in using Google for a quick and seamless sign-in, or email if you prefer entering your credentials manually. For this tutorial, we'll log in using Google. Since we're already signed in to Google Chrome, LTX Studio will automatically log us in without needing to re-enter our details. And that's it. You're now successfully logged into LTX Studio and ready to start working on your projects.